Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Maria of Boulder. We sustained wind and hail damage to our roof because of a storm, and the insurance company only wants to replace the west and north side of the roof and repair and patch the south and east side. They're doing over half the roof, but refuse to do any more. This roof will not match the existing roof. I don't want a patch job. This will look terrible. Then I will never have a nice or consistent looking roof again unless I pay for it. I thought replacement value insurance would put us back in the same position before the damage. Let's talk about that here in a second. They told me they don't have to match the existing roof, and basically it just has to be functional. Don't trust the insurance company to do the right thing and go over every detail of your policy. Also a good info. I thought we were covered for this type of loss. So maybe they're just misapplying the coverage. I don't know. So it really is based on your policy. If you have a true replacement cost policy, you should actually end up better. It's a betterment policy than you were before. So all sorts of issues. One is, in a lot of states, they actually have matching requirements. The state has said, hey, you have to match. And if this doesn't match that, you have to make them whole by doing so. In some states, it's called a uniform appearance. So in Colorado, it's uniform appearance. There has to be a uniform appearance. And I would say if you had a patch quilt work roof before the storm, and that's what they want to do after, can you really complain about that? Maybe, depending on the policy, like I said. But if it wasn't like that before, and now it's not a uniform appearance, you definitely have an argument. So again, just because the insurance company says it, doesn't mean it's true. What, right? That's the thing is, everybody takes whatever the insurance adjuster says as gospel. And trust me, it is not always the case. I have a very large claim right now. We're fighting over the deductible. He wants to apply a hail deductible at 1%, even though there's contradictory language in there stating another deductible for $10,000. And this is a very large commercial property. And that 1% will be probably, I don't know, $400,000-ish, maybe less, maybe more, somewhere in that vicinity, like a very large property. So the issue is, are they actually misrepresenting the policy? Are they misrepresenting the facts? Because if they are, you need to get somebody involved that works for you and on your behalf as the insured policyholder, property owner, property manager, if you manage the property, that works on your behalf. Listen, we're good at this because we do this every day. You're probably not as good because you don't, right? So we've just gotten really good because we deal with this. We deal with the insurance company's BS. We deal with them telling us all sorts of stuff that's not true, and we call them out on that. But I understand, as you, the insured, you don't do this every day. You need somebody to guide you through the process. And you've heard me say it before, so I'll say it one last time. It won't be the last time, but I'll say it again. Is we'd rather guide the ship, okay, than try to raise up a sinking ship, which means we'd rather get involved at the beginning of the process and help you navigate this than after you hit every iceberg out there, we're trying to revive or raise a dead ship. That's just probably not going to work, or it's going to take longer. It's going to be more work, and it's going to be less of a good result for you. So if you're fighting something like this, commercial, residential, industrial, school districts, municipalities, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.